Good day. For the past 1 week or so, I have not uploaded any new video. The reason behind it was that in the process of uploading Peshkaras, I could not differentiate between the Peshkara of the Delhi Gharana and the Peshkara of the Farrukhabad Gharana. The reason was that in both the Peshkaras, the Mukhada is the same. That is, it is Dhikradinta. So it became very difficult to differentiate between the Peshkaras of the two Gharanas. On listening to various solos of Ahmadjan Thirakwa, who used to play the tabla of all the Gharanas, it was quite obvious that he had that sense of distinguishing the two, even though the Mukhada was the same. The following is what comes out of observation. One, in the event Ahmadjan Thirakwa starts the Peshkara of as Dhikradinta and adds in the bal or in the variations, we can say that that Peshkara is of the Farrukhabad Gharana. On the other hand, if he uses Dinad Dagina Dataka Dagina in the variation, it becomes the Peshkara of the Delhi Gharana. This is point number one. The point number two is that if he were to start with the Peshkara of the Farrukhabad Gharana, he would take the TI and start with Dhin Dagada Tiddhagada Tin Dagada Tiddha Tirikit. However, if he started with the Peshkara of the Delhi Gharana with Dhikradinta, he would either use variations of Dinad Dagina Datraka Dagina or go into the Qaida Dinad Dagina Datraka Dagina itself. This is point number two. Point number three is, one will ask, what difference does it make? One has to appreciate that the two Gharanas, even though they use the same letters in the compositions, there is a change in the chalan, which is very important. And the variations that are there in that Peshkara will define the difference in the chalan. For example, in Dhina Dagina Dataka Dagina, the lay is odd. However, in the Farrukhabad Gharana Peshkara, that odd lay is not prominently seen. And instead, it is filled up with a Chogun with Kidnak Terkit. So, one has to remember, one has to differentiate between the Gharana, the Peshkaras of the two Gharanas by or with the help of the chalan that it sets into motion. This is further proved by recordings of Nathuka Sahib, where generally, after starting the Peshkara, they continue it with the Qaida, as in the case of Nathuka Sahib, with Dhati Dagina Dhatirkit Dhati Dhage Dinagina, or with other Delhi Gharana players, they play Dhatit Dadatit Dage Dinagina. So once one has fixed the differentiation in the chalans between the two gharanas, then only we can appreciate the peshkaras of the two gharanas. This differentiation has taken me, say, a week or so. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will upload a peshkara of the Delhi Gharana played by Amazon Thirakwa together with the compositions. Thank you.